Here I've got Nokia 8110 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. We will start with the very useful one, it's the quickest code ever. It's *# or 6 pound. And this code will provide you with both email numbers for your device, for your Nokia. So here they are indicated. Click on OK to go back. And now let's go to the second code, which is *# 0000 pound. And here you can see some advanced info about your Nokia, the variant, Nokia mode and all the others. And then you can also click on OK to go back. And basically that will be all. These are all the secret codes for your Nokia, but very useful one, even though we've got just 2 of them. Enjoy using your Nokia, use those codes whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.